In this video I will be showing you guys how to use Thread on Instagram. This is the new app Instagram introduced newly, and it's a close competitor to Twitter. On Thread you can post articles of up to 500 words, you can post videos of up to 5 minutes, and you can also post images. So this is how you can get Thread and how you can use it. If you're on your Instagram, you click on the gear button at the top right, then you click on Threads. This is how it will display. Then you click on Get Thread. It will redirect you to either your App Store or your Google Play Store. There you'll be able to download the app Thread. Then once you download the app, as you can see, I've already downloaded the app. The app is in my phone, so I don't need to download. I'll just go back and open my Thread app. Here, this is my Thread app. So on the Thread timeline, what you will see are updates from the people you are following. On Thread you can actually follow people just like Instagram and Twitter. So these are updates from the people I'm following. You'll be seeing it on your home page. On your home page, these are what you will see. You'll see both images, videos, and text words. So this, if you want to search for people to follow, then you go to search. The button is down there. You can search for whoever you want to search and you follow the person. You can search and follow the person. You can search and follow any of your popular celebrity you feel you want to follow. Then now on your Thread profile, you can see how the profile is looking. You can see just like Instagram. Then let me show you how you can make a post on Thread. For example, if you want to post on Thread, what you need to do is to click on this pencil icon down the middle. You click on the pencil icon, then you can write whatever you want to post. You can write whatever you want to post. After writing whatever you want to post, if you want to attach image or video, you click on this attachment icon. Then you now attach the image. You now select the image or the video you want to post. For example, let's post this image. Let's just attach it. As you can see, we've attached it. Then for you to post, you just click on the post and the post will be automatically updated to your Thread. But I'm not posting this. This is just for tutorial basis. So back to it, and from Thread you can as well link back to your Instagram. As you can see the icon at the top here, once you click it, it will direct you back to your Instagram. So guys, that is it on how to use Thread. I believe this tutorial is helpful. If you find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up by liking the video. I'll see you guys in my next video.